What's up, YouTube? And I'm with this little mukbang right here. We don't got much. We just got the little food with the little shrimps, with the little onions, the little barbecue chicken, some light. So I got some chicken, rice, greens, and shrimp. That's in my face. My hair a little messed up right now. I look rough, but it's alright though. So I'm gonna just eat. Yeah. Let me stop.
What happened, Maya?
I got them. Got my. Stop always doing that. Hold up. Let me eat some more. Let me stop. So I'm just gonna eat. I'm gonna try some rice. You want some rice? Let me stop. I'm just embarrassing myself, but it's cool though. Look. Let me know like something. It's cool because y'all gonna get used to me, and I'm a crackhead, and I go to rehab. But y'all gonna get used to me though. Hold on. I'll fuck with it. Let me try the strength. I'll fuck with it. I'm fucking with it. I fuck with it. But this rice, y'all, is right good. This rice good for sure. I had to do something, y'all. I'm sorry. But y'all, this rice good. I ain't gonna care. Alright. I'm gonna turn the light on for y'all, so y'all can see me eat more. I've done a mukbang, y'all. Here y'all can see. I'm sorry, y'all, but I fuck with it.
No, not right there.
It's hot. Let me try the chicken. I'm trying. It's so hot. I'm gonna let the chicken cool off because it's hot. And when I bite it, it go, the steam come. So this rice is really good, y'all. Hello. I know y'all want some. Let me feed y'all a little bit some. I'm sorry. I'm embarrassing myself like hell, bro. But it's cool though. It's cool though. Eat some more. Eat some more. Eat some more. Eat some more. I told y'all that it was good. I hear you smacking. See, he was just smacking. I see you smacking. It's good and it's good. See, he just said it's good. Hell, let your girlfriend taste. Dang, baby, God know it's good, but don't smack like that. Don't smack like that. Have some manners. Have some manners. Have some manners, baby girl. You want some more? I know you want some more, but I gotta have some for me too. Dang. Just get some. Dang, stop smacking like that, bro. It's good, but I understand it's good, but you ain't got to smack like that. Ain't no need for you to smack. Want some chicken? It's barbecue chicken. Who don't eat barbecue chicken? I don't got no hot chicken, bro. Just get some barbecue. You don't want none? Alright, bro. But what's that? By the way, it's baked. That's why that shit just came. It's baked. It's baked, y'all. This rice is actually good, y'all. Y'all gotta understand, the rice is good as hell. Out of all the food, the rice good. The rice real good. I ain't gonna cap. No. Just taste a little bit. Just taste a little bit. You don't want none? Just taste a little bit. Oh my God, I don't got no buffalo chicken. Just taste a little bit. Just taste a little bit. Huh, just taste it. Just taste it. You see, I told you it was good. I just told you. God, bro. Let your boyfriend get a taste. Just let your boyfriend get a taste. Nom, 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 nom. Why did I just do? Why did I just do that? You want some more? No, bro. I haven't ate all day. I haven't ate since 8 o'clock this morning. You can't have all my chicken, bro. You just say it was nasty. You say you want. I know you ate something. You want some more? No, bro. Oh God. It's too good to share, bro. But this rice is good. I can't lie, the rice is good, y'all. Alright, let me stop acting like that. That's so bad. I'm embarrassing myself, but y'all, the rice is good. The rice is good. I ain't gonna cap. The rice, that's a hit. I told my mom that the rice was good. She added some type of sauce with some little stuff with the rice good. Out of everything, the rice is good. I don't know why I'm digging through the chicken like that. My hands look all nasty. But it's cool though. I'm human. There ain't one human that hands don't look nasty when they eat. Not every human, but what is I'm talking? What is I'm talking about? Oh my no goddamn stuff. But oh my God, my lips all looking nasty. My hand looking nasty. Why is I'm talking while I'm eating? Oh, fucking God. Why did I just do that? I'm a weirdo. This rice is here. I can't count it. Soon I end up, I'm gonna go get me a whole pot of rice. This rice is good as fuck, y'all. You want some more rice? I'm sorry that I just put my hands on it, but do you want some more? Yeah, you want some more. Yum, 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 yum.
My mom wants to. My mom wants to.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna end this video. I'll see y'all tomorrow. MW Squad on.
Yay!
Bottom bitches now. First they try to steal my style. Now they trying to steal my sound. Thank God. I ain't been broke in a while.